Hey everybody, Kaylin McBee here with Healthy Living with Kaylin McBee. Thanks for joining us for our next 3-Minute Thursday. I often get questions about what kind of meals do we eat during the week, what kind of healthy snacks that we prep for the week, and so I thought I'd share with you what we do on usually a Sunday. Today's Sunday. So total, it probably took us about an hour and a half to make all of this food, but it really prepares us to make sure that we are having healthy options as we go through the week. So I'll sort of just walk you through what we did. We have a CSA, which is a community shared agriculture, so we get vegetables every single week. So we incorporate those fresh veggies into what we do. So here what we did was we chopped up some cucumbers and carrots. We'll combine cucumbers, carrots, and some greens with a protein powder for shakes in the morning. Next, we made a pesto, and so this pesto came from basil from our own garden, which is awesome. And one of the tips that I have is that pine nuts are really expensive, so making pesto can be pricey. So instead, we use sunflower seeds in the place of the pine nuts, and it turns out really great. So that's a good option for you to keep the cost down as well. Next, we made a tuna fish salad, and another healthy tip for making tuna fish is that instead of using all mayonnaise, you can use half mayonnaise and half salsa. It's another way to get extra vegetables in, and I really like this particular salsa because it doesn't have any added sugar in it. So this will be the protein that goes on top of our salads that we have throughout the week. Next, we cut up a pineapple. So great for something sweet after dinner or even a little snack in the afternoon. Awesome for that. Next, we made a soup. So one of the vegetables that we had in our CSA this week was escarole. And that is a leafy green vegetable, and it goes really well in soups. It is good when it gets a little bit more wilted. So this is a sausage, white bean, and escarole soup. We'll have that one night for dinner this week. Probably we'll freeze the rest. So now I'm prepping for weeks down the road too, which is awesome. And then finally, we have our weekly frittata that we make almost every week. This has a full container of egg whites plus 3 eggs and whatever vegetables you want. So this week we had a bunch of kale in our CSA. So we used kale, we used onions from the CSA, we used a red pepper and some sun-dried tomatoes and a little bit of mozzarella on top. So hopefully that's helpful for you to see what we do to prep to make sure that we're eating really healthy during the week. Please remember to share and let me know if you have any other topics that you'd like. And this is Kaylin McBee with Healthy Living with Kaylin McBee. Be well.